Good morning students, welcome to Turbo Machines lab. Here we are for your performing your first experiment for the subject turbo machines, that is verification of momentum principle. This is based on the impact of jet, and in that we have to study the impulse momentum principle, which states that the force acting on the fluid mass m in short interval time is equal to change in momentum in the direction of force. In that we have to calculate the force exerted by the fluid on three types of plates, that is first flat vertical plate, second inclined plate, and next one is curved plate. For all these three plates we have to calculate the force exerted with the variable force of the water. In that V is nothing but the velocity of fluid jet, D is diameter of jet, A is nothing but the area of cross section at which the jet strikes on the plate. In that first force exerted on the flat vertical plate can be calculated with rho a v square, and this is according to the write-up provided to you for each and every experiment. You can check with that. Force exerted by the fluid jet on the flat inclined plate, that can be calculated as rho a v square upon sin theta, where theta is nothing but the angle between plate and jet. And third one is that is force exerted by the fluid jet on stationary hemisphere plate or stationary curve plate, that is nothing but twice rho a v square. You can calculate with the help of this equation. So the system resources available for this experiment, for this trial, it is base stand, sump tank, then centrifugal pump, impact of jet apparatus, three sets of target plates, that is flat plate, inclined plate and curve plate, and measuring tank. In this, one test rig is there. The basic system consists of base stand and then impact of jet, then centrifugal pump for sucking up the water, then sump tank and measuring tank. For this we will see the procedure. After that we will go to the apparatus and I will tell you in details how we have to start, what are the various things. In that first connect the power plug. As usual, this is nothing but the standard operating procedure for this. Then ensure the sufficient quality of the water available in the sump tank. Then attach one of the target plates. First we will attach the flat plate, then inclined plate and curved plate. Attach any one target plate, then add the counterweight. Counterweight is will be added to only place the horizontal position of the rod at which that plate are attached. Switch on the electrical supply, then allow the water to flow through the apparatus. Then set the target plate at a desired distance, and accordingly we have to increase the flow rate of the target plates for lifting it up. Till get it lifted up, we have to again attach the weight on the left hand side hanger for balance the rod in standard horizontal position. Then we have to take down the readings as per according to the available in the observation tables, then calculate the result as per the calculation procedure, and repeat the same system for another two plates, that is inclined plate and curved plate. So observations, this data is already available with us, that is diameter of nozzle we can take it as 12 mm, density of water we know that it is 1000 kg per meter cube, then area of measuring tank that will be available from the write up, then inclined plate angle 15 degrees, distance from hinge to blade, that is 325 mm, and distance from hinge to jet of blade, that is 125. This, what is this, I will show you in detail at the experiment test rig, so you will get a clear idea about that. So you have to find the type of target plate, then weight attach and time reading, how much time is required with the help of stopwatch. And the theoretical calculations, you have to calculate the total discharge, and then velocity of flow can be calculated by discharge upon cross sectional area of pipe, and then you have to find the actual theoretical force and actual force obtained with the system. And this is nothing but this is your final result table, and accordingly you have to perform the trial on this impulse momentum principle test rig. The name title of the practical is verification of momentum principle. Now we will see the actual test rig in next video.